About to say concrete speak, nigga. Gateface, nigga. Face stay gated, nigga. Said it all started with a passion. Know I had the skills to play ball and make it happen. Randy Moss and niggas in the streets like Minnesota. I never back down from another nigga, mama told me. And always was wishing my father was here just to show me. Learn it on my own and had to learn it all the hard way. In and out of juvenile, running mama crazy. Several times on house arrest instead of catching cases. They got a young nigga stranded live on papers. Why? No supervision at a young age. Had a young nigga running loose and outrageous on the real. I watch so many niggas lose they lives. Ain't no future for a nigga's homicide. I wonder why. Better watch them niggas you call your friends. Cause right before you blink, why them niggas will do you in over nothing, kid. Niggas to dirty up your name over a piece of pussy. Keep these niggas out your game. Better yet, limit your circle. Prime example, my nigga Purple. Why the good gotta die so young, my nigga. These niggas will hurt you. Gotta keep your third eye open. Never get blind by the money, my nigga, and stay focused. Better know who you dealing with, cause these niggas far from solid. To each and every nigga that's solid, I pay homage. I'm here to bring forth the unity, and I promise I'm tired of seeing all my niggas in the streets down. Hold up, made my mama a promise, told her don't worry, I got her. Cause we done been through hell and back, facing so many problems. But through it all, I know one day I was gonna be somebody. Coming from a broken home, but never really tripped about it. Mama, I'm a soldier. Living in this cold world, trying to keep my head up my shoulders. And as the world turns, said I'm cautious in the focus. But through the misery, I'm trying to keep them feeling hopeless. All eyes on me, better know you looking at a leader. Ain't nothing more that I want but the better of my people. And if you wanna hear from me, we all equal. Never would I bring another brother down. My nigga, motherfuck what you heard. I'm trying to put my niggas on. We been kicking up nothing but dust for way too long. Stranded in the struggle, struggling to survive. Wake up every day without a motherfucking dime. Nigga pockets on E, nigga stomach feeling crazy. Devil telling me to grab my 9 and go crazy. Wake up early in the morning, see the man in the mirror telling me to hold on. This shit about to get better. So now I get the message. My vision's getting clear. I take a look and see my haters in my rear view mirror. As soon as I rise, my game plan to be on top. Put my solid niggas on and bring it back to the block like